Chef Leen Excellent had a dream. She wanted to share the magic of Haitian cuisine with the world, and she wasn't going to let anything stop her. Leen set her sights on a monumental challenge, to break the Guinness World Record for the longest cooking marathon. This ambitious goal was no small feat. It meant cooking non-stop for 8 days straight. But Leen was determined. She knew the heart and soul of Haiti lived within its cuisine, and she was ready to share that spirit with the world. Leen's journey began in Paris, France at the Anba La Pont restaurant. This was to be her stage, her platform to showcase the rich tapestry of Haitian flavors. The energy was electric as people gathered, eager to witness history in the making. Leen, with her infectious smile and unwavering focus, was ready to make her mark on the world. The starting bell rang, and Chef Leen Excellent took her place at the stove. A wave of excitement rippled through the crowd. The challenge was immense. 192 hours of continuous cooking. Leen was not fazed. She moved with grace and precision, her passion for Haitian cuisine fueling her every move. She had her work cut out for her. The previous record was a daunting 140 hours, set by Liberian chef Yvette Koibia. Another chef, Zina Banse from Ivory Coast, had cooked for 168 hours. Her record was pending approval from Guinness. Leen was determined to surpass them all. Every hour, Leen was allowed a short 5-minute break. 5 minutes to catch her breath, to rest her weary muscles, to steel herself for the next grueling hour. But for Leen, it was never about the breaks. It was about pouring her heart into every dish, into every moment, into making her country proud. The air was thick with anticipation, and the aroma of spices filled the restaurant. Each dish Chef Leen Excellent prepared was a testament to Haitian culinary heritage. The menu read like a love letter to Haiti. There was the national rice, a staple of Haitian cuisine, its flavors bold and comforting. Then there was tasso, fried goat meat marinated in a symphony of spices. And who could forget the jumu soup, a symbol of Haitian independence, its vibrant orange hue a beacon of hope and resilience. From chaka to akasan, from diri janjan to papita and mayi moulin, Leen's culinary creations took everyone on an unforgettable journey through the heart of Haiti. Social media was abuzz with messages of support for Chef Leen. Go Leen! Haiti is proud of you, and you are an inspiration flooded the timelines. The Haitian diaspora, from the bustling streets of Port-au-Prince to the vibrant communities in New York, Miami and Montreal, rallied behind their culinary hero. The energy in the restaurant was electric as Chef Leen Excellent approached the 192-hour mark. Every stir of the pot, every sprinkle of spice, every dish plated was a testament to her unwavering spirit. The Guinness World Records officials watched closely, their stopwatches ticking away the final seconds. And then, it happened. 192 hours. Chef Leen Excellent had done it. The crowd erupted in cheers, their applause echoing the magnitude of her achievement. Leen, with tears of joy streaming down her face, raised her arms in victory. Leen Excellent's accomplishment transcended the culinary world. She became a symbol of Haitian pride, her story an inspiration to dream big and persevere. Leen showed the world that Haitian cuisine was more than just food. It was a celebration of history, culture, and resilience. And she, Chef Leen Excellent, was its proudest ambassador.